In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to effortlessly create a new project in Jira using the Create Project from Template feature, the simplest and most efficient way to get your project up and running. This is a fantastic method for when you want to clone an existing project and maintain consistency across your workspace. Let's dive right in and walk through the process step by step so you'll have no trouble following along. First, make sure you're logged into Jira. Fire up Chrome or any web browser of your choice and navigate straight to the Jira login page. Once there, enter your credentials and log in. With that done, you're all set to start creating your new project. Next, head over to the Projects section. This can be easily found by locating the Projects tab in the top navigation bar. Click on it and then select Create Project from the drop-down menu. This action will direct you to the page where you'll begin setting up your new project. At this point, you'll be prompted to choose a template. This is an important step because you need to select the same project type and template as the current project you plan to clone. This choice is crucial because it forms the foundation of your new project, ensuring it mirrors the structure and functionalities of the original. Whether it's a software development template or a business project template, making the right choice here will significantly streamline the replication process. Now, it's time to configure your new project. You'll be asked to provide a name for your project, so pick something that's both descriptive and concise, ensuring it's easily recognizable to your team members. Additionally, you'll need to select a unique key for your project. This key often acts as a prefix for the issues created within the project, so give it some thought. Once your name and key are determined, take a moment to review and adjust any other settings to ensure they align with the original project's configuration. This could involve timelines, sprints, or any custom fields your team frequently uses. Finally, to make your project an effective clone, you will have to manually replicate the workflows, screens, and permissions of the original project. To achieve this, head over to the project settings. Within this area, you'll find options for workflows, screens, and permissions. Methodically go through each of these sections, configuring them to match the original project settings. Doing this ensures that your team will enjoy a seamless transition when switching between projects and that all processes remain consistent. By carefully following these steps, you'll successfully create a new project in Jira that replicates the template and settings of an existing one. This approach not only saves time, but also ensures uniformity across your projects, facilitating a smoother workflow for everyone involved. So, go ahead, give it a try, and see how much easier project setup can be with the right tools and techniques.